How to make a scrolling video directly from a long image like this. First, you need to open the VideoAE software and click Make Video to enter the editing video page. First, set the horizontal screen resolution. Here I choose the ratio of 16:9 and enter 1920. Then add our long image material from resources. When you add it, you can see that the material only occupies a small part of the screen at this time. We need to enlarge the material and adjust the data through the scale of just above until the material is width is as wide as the production page. Click Translate to adjust the y-axis so that the top of the picture coincides with the top of the production page. Of course, if you want to play sideways, adjust the x-axis. After adjustment, set the duration of the layer. You can set the length of your video as long as you want. For example, here I want to play the picture in 15 seconds. So I set the duration of the layer to 15 seconds. Finally, click the Translate button in the lower toolbar to set the keyframe animation. First, light up the transil dot at 0 seconds. Then pull the time needle to the end of the layer and modify the y-axis in transil to make the picture the end of the page coincides with the bottom of the production page. If you want to move horizontally, modify the x-axis. The preview system will automatically complement the picture scrolling from top to bottom. Isn't it very simple?